Yo, what's good, y'all? Listen, man, I know it's been a minute, but I got the pack in the mail. It has arrived. If you can follow me on Instagram at @allthingscorey, you would know why I'm so excited right now. I just got off work and came home. I still got like the mask beard thing going on. I'm sweating. But yeah, no, I'm geeked. So I have not seen these in person. I did sneak peek though, and I looked at my lot number, or I looked up the lot numbers. But yeah. So if you don't know what I'm talking about and haven't been following me, first off, stop what you're doing. Go follow me, like, subscribe, comment, all of that. But you see it. I hit on the sneakers app, Nike Dunk, Off-White, what's they say? Lot 3. Yeah, Lot 3. And I really hope this isn't filming backwards, but if it is, oh well. Cause this is what we're gonna get today. Okay, cool little Off-White paper. You can take that off. Okay, no, this is the first look in person, so this is gonna be a real reaction. Bruh, it's like 12 sheets of paper. Hey. These kind of hard. Hey. With the zip tie and the, all right, so you get your Off-White zip tie. Oh, here you go. Your Off-White zip tie. Your shoelaces. Your regular laces. Why you got this all kind of bunched up like this? I don't know why they did mine like that. But yeah, these are, I'm not mad at these. I'm not. It's a very, very like light, super light purple. Yeah, it's a super light purple on the rope for these around them with the purple tongue or fuchsia tongue. And then you got the insole. I don't know if you can really see it. Yeah, the Off-White insole. Then you got the, the stamp on them. I don't know if you can see that either. But yeah, no, I'm not mad at these. I am a little bummed that I peeked earlier. I feel like my reaction would have been a little bit more genuine. But nah, these are clean. I'm not gonna. I still don't know if I'm gonna keep them. When I saw the picture, I said it was going straight to toe. But looking at them in hand, they cool. But we'll see. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, man, quick little video. Off-White dunks. Sneakers app, exclusive access, Lot 3. Tuned in with your boy, All Things Corey. Like, subscribe, comment, share. We out.